sana po may panahon kayo sapagkat ipinatawag ko sa magitan ng isang resolution at ito po ay alam na ni Senator Erwin. Pinatawag ko po ang NAMRIA, pinatawag ko po ang Philippine Coast Guard, Philippine Navy, ang DFA, pinatawag ko rin po si Justice Carpio at saka yung professor sa UP. At kung sino man po ang interesado, pero once and for all, malaman po natin dito kung sino ang sinungaling, kung sino ang makatsina, kung sino ang naggagaling-galingan at nagpapanggap na expert in international law. Sana po, Senator Lacson, nandun po kayo.
Mr. President, may we hear from the chairman of the Foreign Relations Committee because his name was mentioned. May I just confirm if indeed he will call for a hearing and invite those people mentioned, Mr. President? With due respect.
Well, as requested, if you would like to respond, Senator Erwin Tulfo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. This morning, I have received a letter from the Department of Foreign Affairs citing that they cannot attend, including NAMRIA, Mr. Chair, and we have already written to the various chiefs of staff of the members of the Committee on Foreign Affairs. They cited, including NAMRIA, that they cannot attend because of the fact that it is a matter of national security, Mr. President. And I also have a copy that will be sent to your office, Mr. President. The reason given by NAMRIA, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and the Department of Foreign Affairs, Mr. President.
In other words, Mr. President, the gentleman from Pampanga and Tarlac is confirming something that is not confirmed.
Mr. President, that is too much of a statement. Kausap ko pa lamang ang chairman at kaming dalawa po nagkakausap at niremind pa nga ako yun nung mga nakarang araw na March 12, okay ka na. So, ang sabi ko sa kanya, ito po ang dapat nating maimbitahan. Bakit naman po nagkaroon ng issue sa national security?